Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions in REALME GT2. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, so go like that. Then scroll all the way down to find the additional settings, enter gestures and motions, and inside we can see all of them. And the first tab is screen of gestures, which I covered in all screen of gestures for this device, and I'm gonna skip it in this video. And here the things we're actually gonna cover is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and also touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. First feature works like that. If you slide down 3 fingers, you'll make a screenshot. If you choose to use 3 fingers only on your screen, then you'll make a partial screenshot and you can cut a specific portion of the screen, then click on OK to save that. Next is raise to wake, and if you enable it, you can lock your phone, and then next time you pick it up, it will wake up without any button press. Lift to ear to answer calls, and also auto switch to receiver to answer calls. And these 2 features, the first one works like you receive a call, then pick it up and lift it to your ear, and the call will answer automatically. And the same thing is with auto switch to receiver, but your receiver will automatically answer all the calls. Flip to mute all incoming calls. If you lock your phone and place it upside down, it will mute all incoming calls and it will enter something like DND mode. And that's basically all of the screen gestures and motions for this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.